you do know someone there. Hey, I'm gonna change some gutters out. The home doesn't have gutters. Do you know a roofer or better yet, a roofer that can probably help me with that?
I do actually. My neighbor owns a siding and window company. So yeah.
Great, Kathy. I love the yard. It's almost an acre and a half, but I want to do some landscaping. Kathy, do you know a landscaping company?
I do.
Great. So,
We've
folks,
used
just
them.
that one scenario, just in that one scenario, everyone here today, almost everyone on this call has a list of at least 4 or 5 people there. Kathy, last question. I have enough land. Daughter's getting married, right? June. I want to landscape it nicely. We have enough room here. It's going to be a waiting for about 50. Kathy, do you know a wedding coordinator?
I know someone who might. I don't know one, but I know someone who might.
Awesome. Birds of a so you can connect with someone. And Kathy, that wedding coordinator or planner probably knows a DJ, a catering company.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Right? So folks, sometimes we're looking at who do we talk to. They're all around you. They're people you meet with and talk to every day. Don't worry about the size of the company right now, especially right now. It may be a little difficult, Kathy, to get into larger companies right now because of, we're approaching 20 days left, approximately 22